There are a couple of new front camera features on the Alcatel Onyx that we would like to review, because no matter how much you love or hate the selfie life, it's good to be in the know. In this two-part episode, we will demo Alcatel's first ever portrait selfie mode, as well as discuss aspect ratios and when to use them. Let's get into it. Topic number 1, front-facing portrait mode. Alcatel's first ever portrait selfies. To experience the front-facing portrait camera setting, open the camera app. Select the circular icon in the lower right corner to activate the front camera. You should now be visible on the screen. On the display, swipe to access portrait mode. You should notice that you are now in focus, while everything around you is slightly blurred, drawing your eye to the focused area in the center. Click the shutter button to take a photo with depth effect. Next, swipe your finger to the right to return to auto mode, still within the front camera. Did you notice the blur in the background is gone now? Since we've left portrait mode, the background should appear completely in focus. Click the shutter button once more. Then, select the circular thumbnail image in the lower left corner of the screen. You'll see the two photos we just took in this demonstration. As you swipe from the photo we took in auto mode to the one we took in portrait mode, you'll instantly see the difference between the two shots. The one we took in auto mode should be completely in focus, while in portrait mode, the background should have a cool bokeh effect, making the photo really pop. This will come in handy when you want to take a selfie with some depth. Give it a try. Now let's move on to topic number 2, aspect ratios. When to use each photo size. For part 2 of this video, let's remain in the camera application. The next new feature we want to discuss works in the same way no matter if you're using the front or rear camera. With either the front or rear cameras activated, you will notice that in the upper left corner of the screen, there's a small logo that looks like a box with 4x3 in the center. Click on that. You'll see 3 more boxes appear with additional options, 1x1, 16x9, and 18x9. These will provide a variety of different options for framing up the perfect shot. The aspect ratio you choose will most likely be determined by the subject matter, or what you're going to photograph. For example, if you would like to take a wide photo to capture multiple people in the shot, you'd want to select 18x9 or 16x9, as those will provide the widest frame options outside of pano mode, of course. From the 1x1 aspect ratio, click on 18x9 so you can see how the camera display opens up significantly. However, if you're going to take a solo selfie, there's no need to use such a wide aspect ratio, as you will look very small in the frame. So I'd use the 4x3 or the 1x1 selection to better frame that shot. Now if your intention is to look very small in the frame to perhaps include a landscape behind you, it would be okay to use wider aspect ratios. The idea is to make sure everything fits perfectly in frame to achieve some balance in the end photograph. Here are a few photos we took using the different aspect ratios on the Alcatel Onyx properly. Take a look. Please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more videos from Alcatel.